Leveraging YouTube Shorts can be a game changer for rapid channel growth. To succeed, focus on creating captivating content that hooks viewers within the first few seconds. Shorts thrive on spontaneity and creativity, so think outside the box. Use trending sounds and participate in challenges relevant to your niche. Keep your videos concise, engaging, and visually appealing. It's also crucial to utilize eye-catching thumbnails and compelling titles that entice viewers to click. Consistently upload shorts to maintain momentum and increase your chances of being featured on the YouTube Shorts shelf. Engage with your audience by responding to comments and encouraging them to follow your channel for more. Collaborate with other creators to expand your reach and tap into their audiences. Analyzing your shorts performance can help refine your content strategy, so pay attention to what resonates with the viewers. Remember, the goal is to build a community around your content, so always encourage interaction. By focusing on quality and consistency, you can harness the power of YouTube Shorts for exponential growth on your channel.